calculate summary action, you can automatically calculate a summary on one or more items in any list. Then with the summary value, you can do two things. You can update the current item, or you can also compare it to a different value. And if they do not match, then you can raise an error and prevent the item from being saved. For example, in this case here, I am creating a reservation system and I'm going to be reserving some conference rooms. Before you can store a reservation, we will run the action in the backend and we will check if the same conference room has already been reserved for the same or overlapping time slot. If so, we will prevent the form from being saved and display the suitable message to the user. As you can see, the conference room 2 is already booked for today from 11 to 1. I'll now try to create another booking for the same room from 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. And you can see that the error appears and the form cannot be saved. Let's now see how it's done. So I'm using the calculate summary action and I'm making it run both on item is added and item is modified. Now under the advanced settings, make sure to set the synchronous. That will make sure that the action runs before the form actually saves and provide the custom error message. In the action settings, I am looking in the same list for existing items that book the same resource and have overlapping start and end date. So they fall on the same time slot. And I also make sure that the ID of the item is different from the ID of the current item. For example, if I'm changing the dates. The result of this calculation is going to be raise error. I am counting how many items there are that match those conditions, and I'm making sure that's only 0 because I don't want any overlapping bookings. And that's it. Once I save the action, nobody is going to be able to create an overbooking of the same resource. You can install a 30-day trial of Ultimate Forms, and as always, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.